We don't like the world today. Let's I think how to take it.
Smile at someone. Just smile. Saying hello often brightens a day too. Our forests are being cut down too fast. We will use recycled paper.
We waste too much energy. We want to turn the lights off.
Only 2% water is fresh water. We will save water by closing the tap. Sometimes people need help. We will be kind and we will help people to solve their problems. It is very important to recycle. We will put the trash in the proper recycle bin. Sometimes people are sad. We will help them if they need it. There is a lot of pollution in the air. We will drive less and ride a bike more often. Everyone is different. We will respect the differences between people.